Hello, this is another part of my garden, some tomatoes. I'm in the process of stringing them up on this homemade trellis here, so I figured I might as well shoot a quick video. My tomatoes were tied up on these stakes in a little tomato fence, but you can see they're pretty bushy. I've never pruned them, so I decided to string them up. They actually are all pretty tall, maybe about 4 feet or so. All the limbs. I did a little bit of pruning once I got these up, but let me give you a closer look. You can see I just have these strings here swirled around each of my tomatoes. Not a lot of pruning, so you can see from the bottom I have quite a few stalks coming up, but that's fine with me. This is my first year, so we'll see how these go. I'll give another recap when the trellis is done. Excuse me. All right, I got my trellis done for my tomatoes. You can see they look a lot neater. All the limbs are stretched out. Still pretty limby tomatoes, but I don't mind. I tied them all out. You can see I got quite a few strings tied. Not every branch is tied up, but the longer ones, so you can get the tomatoes off. Here are a few of the clippings that I saved. There were loads of clippings. Unbelievable. I also have some more over here. As you can see, these ones in the sun. Some of the bigger branches. Maybe a bit many tomatoes, maybe too many for me to handle, but we'll see. Maybe I'll give some baby tomato plants out to family after the shutdown, after we're reopened. But that's it.